Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we have this beautiful pasture-raised egg. We have a slice of tomato, some avocado, an English muffin, and a little mayonnaise. Mike Foster here, and here's my killer noose breakfast sandwich. It's a muffin with a fried egg, no cheese, with some, you saw the intro, avocado, tomato. It's bright, it's fresh, healthier for you than you think. Simple to make. Let's go to the stove, get that egg cooking. All right, we got a medium warm pan. We start off with a little butter. Get that going. Mix it around. Put that egg down. That is one beautiful looking egg, I tell you that. All right. This is going to take a few minutes, then we'll give it the old flipper. While that's happening, I'm going to prep that avocado and put the toast down. Put a little pepper on this. All right, this baby's ready for a flip. That's beautiful. I'm going to let it sit here for another minute and then we'll be done. I got this on low. When that toast is ready, we'll put this baby together. All right, these guys are ready. On this side, I'm going to put some mayonnaise. Put the tomato on top of the mayonnaise. This side, the avocado, we're just going to scrape it out like this. Slap it on right there. See it? Scrape it out like this. Like a nice spoonful, slap it on right there. Mish it down. Do it again. It's easy to serve it just like that. You see that? That's perfect. Slap it down. All right. There. Avo's ready. Tomatoes ready. Mayo's ready. A little salt on both because tomato and avocado like salt. And the same with pepper. Let's get that egg. Star of the show. There's the baby. It's cooked medium. Put that baby right there. The yolk's going to ooze. And then here's the old flipperoo. There's the ooze. All right. I got to tell you, that's a perfect close-up. I'll do the old sliceroo and take a nice big bite. Can't wait. You know, there it is right there. I didn't slice it because I just wanted to take a killer bite just like this. Might get two hands on this. Are you ready? Oh, that's the perfect bite. You know why? I got that juicy and sweetness from the tomato, creaminess of that avocado, nice creamy yolk. The egg is cooked perfectly. All on this nice English muffin. One more. That's a mess. Tasty mess. Great way to start the day. I'm going to get protein from the avocado, protein from the egg. I'm going to get a little healthy fruit from the tomato. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and keep living Life 365 on YouTube and every day. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Make sure the ends aren't sticking. Yeah, that's why I use this is a green pan. People ask me. It's a great pan. All right, nice. I gotta save some for my wife. She said she wanted some. Oh. That's a sweet babu looking. It's a mess. Baba. Goodbye.